again everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina, and today's video is I'm driving with high heels, so red high heels back to the mountain. I was in the dentist because I'm not feeling well with my tooth, so all is good now. Finally, my gosh, it's too painful. Oh my gosh, it's really painful. Well, with this, I'm back again. Well, for today's vlog, I'm driving using the high heels. And if you want to watch a longer video about pedal pumping, you can watch it in the membership. So if you want to join, you can join at level 3. With that, you help me support my channel, and I'm going to use the money for buying some shoes so that every time you request me for a different colors of high heels shoes, then I can afford to manage to buy it, and of course for you guys. So let's go drive, and then those who are driving right now, drive safe, and let's go. So foot brake, drive, break down. And when climbing, just push also the pedals. Don't be afraid. Don't brake all the time while climbing. Use your pedals, the pedal, let's say. So let's try to overtake this one. There's a car. There's a car. I waited. There are people that are angry when you overtake. Drop to them. Use the low gear. Just keep go again. So climbing uphill is only 40 to 60 kilometers. Compared to the highway, you can reach up to 120. Push down. Here, there's no rain here, so I have to off the that would be all for now, and see you next vlog. Bye!